All right. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. Yes. To all those people who are new here, of course, we are role coders, which means that we are a team of tool developers from Melbourne, Australia, and we are working on a project which adds persistent storage to a current open source project called Scrambler.ca, which essentially means that we are making the whole project from scratch and we are adding persistent storage and a lot of login functionalities as well. And if you're interested, we are working on a lot of different stacks and a lot of different technologies, including but not limited to things like Express.js, a lot of AWS, a lot of deployment, which we'll be doing afterwards, a lot of, as I said, and fetch APIs as well. And yes, so yesterday we were working on the validation of the data which comes to our API in the backend. Um, so today we're gonna go ahead and debug that. And yes, thank you, GetDev. Yes, I got new lights.
Mhm.
So yes, I was just setting them up, and I'm glad they turned out good. I still feel I need to balance the white a little, but
Y- Yeah, we'll probably do that tomorrow as an off stream because I can also tell that there's a bit of as in those electronic waves
hmm,
in as in front of the camera that's also
hmm,
coming out as in if you see it from the other person's
yeah,
side. So
right,
we'll work on that tomorrow.
yeah, and like
Definitely.
this is on like the lowest brightness right now, and
I
this is like
see.
100. So yeah,
Right.
yeah, I think we need to fix that up,
Yeah,
but
we will get to
yeah,
that.
yes, but the light out turned out pretty cool. Like it
Hmm.
has modes and stuff as well. Like um, I don't know if you could see, it has like different modes and stuff.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, and it comes with a remote as well.
Yes. So it has
That's
a,
actually pretty cool.
yeah. I forgot what it's called. A diffuser. Yes, it has a diffuser.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Yeah. So which basically what this remote does is it does a RF blast
Mm-hmm.
telling the diffuser to put less light, like just give it less voltage. That's basically what it does. This.
Ah, okay. That's actually really smart. There, as in they've also, although they have done the lightning, but they've also cared about the environmental factor as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
For sure.
So
Yes.
that's
GetDev
phenomenal.
says, um, can you set up Twitch so we can
So
get
we can get
points for
points.
watching and we can
And
spend points to change light color. Um, oh wait,
I
Twitch
thought
point.
we've already set up
No, no,
on
no.
Twitch.
I think they're talking about something else. Um, what what do you mean,
Hey,
Alexa?
Alex, alright,
How's it?
do you want to do it together? Three?
Don't talk. I'm eating. Uh-huh.
Alright,
Yeah.
three.
Three.
Okay. It needs to be really symmetrical, okay, this time.
Hmm.
Alright, three, two, one. Rawr.
Ah,
Alright.
nice. That's pretty
That's
cool.
alright. We're getting there.
Yes.
We're
I
getting
think we
there.
need to see what Twitch points are. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I don't know anything about Twitch except that it's a streaming thing, and that's all really. So let's do a bit of research on that as well.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes. And yes, t-shirts are on their way probably
Yeah, so I
next two
checked
days.
the
Oh, yeah.
tracking, and it said that it's in it's in Japanese Japan. Why am I saying it's in transit in Japan.
All right. Okay. Yeah, it should be there like pretty soon, I believe.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah, they're on the way. Alexander Gamer Man.
And
All right.
today
So
today is a really special day. Especially Gig Day because I have this
uh,
Zen sponsored energy drink, which I got it from him like 2 hours ago.
yeah, and I got the sponsored kangaroo as well, as in
Yes,
kangaroo dinner. So yeah,
yes,
that
and I
was
got
really
Zen.
nice.
Was it nice?
That was yeah, absolutely brilliant.
All
Where
right.
where did you get from though?
I think there was a restaurant which is closing by, like nearby. So what
Okay.
these restaurants do is that they just leave the last meals to our student
Ah,
accommodation.
right, right,
So
right.
yeah, you just get a full meal and just can take it. So
Ah, okay. Yeah, 'cause it's good rather than wasting it. You can
yeah,
give it out for free. At least the food doesn't go to waste. Hmm.
yes. But anyway,
That's
coming to the point,
yeah.
I'll drink this and I'll let everyone know how effective it is. And we'll know if Jen was lying or was it actually true.
Go for it. You'll find out about the World Cross products.
Okay. Oh, okay. Cool. Let's see if I code better today or not. Nice. Tastes good. Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Told you.
Sponsor.
They're really tasty. All right. Shall we go into action now? Because it's
Hmm?
been around 10 minutes already.
Hmm.
Shall we go into action now? Cool. So I'm gonna share my screen today.
Oh yeah, you wanna do it? Okay, cool.
Yeah, I think it's good to take turns as well.
Yeah, sure. Yes, Alexa. Zen gets a lot of money from XS. You're right. Um, Alexa would like to order 24 Zen. Do you have some extra?
Oh, I don't keep stocks, but I can order it for you, Alexa, and it can come straight to your house as well.
Mhm. Do you have to say it tastes good? Did you? I mean, it does taste fine. Um, okay. I'll note this link down.
um, Clips.
I don't think so. I can copy it. Would you mind sending it to me on Slack if that's okay? Because I can't copy the links on the comment. Right. Oh wait. Oh, it's a clip. Let's see. Can I copy it?
Mm-hmm.
I
I
think I
don't
need to.
think you can copy it from the comments.
You know what? I will. I'll just do inspect element and I'll get
Are you
away with
sure?
it.
Because I'm pretty sure we tried it last time and it wasn't really there.
Watch me.
Oh,
Uh,
interesting. I'm curious now.
mm,
Do you want to share your screens so that I can do that as well?
yeah, sure. I'm just trying to figure out where it is. So this is the comment.
Uh-huh, interesting.
Um, I'm just going inside it. Oh wait, it's a SVG. Oh,
A URL as an SVG?
hmm. That's
What?
why. Uh,
I I haven't really heard of a URL being SVG. That's a
yeah.
brand new one.
So it's like that's why I can't copy it, right? Because
Ah,
uh,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
well, let me see if I can copy that in a text. No, no. Okay, I think that should be it. Okay, there you go. Got it.
There you go. Uh-huh, interesting. I
Yeah,
learned
that's when.
something new. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Um,
Oh, that is lame. That was a lame one. Mm,
Nice. Who did
we
this?
need to do a bit of a Sinks
Get
version
that.
of it.
Very
Yeah,
nice.
but
Very nice. That looks pretty good. So good. Thanks, Gekdev, for slacking me, but now I got a way to get it. The new intro. Please make that an intro. Actually, we can do it.
hmm,
Uh,
let's do that. That'd be
can you
good.
guys do a proper or like a line, please? Until someone doesn't clip it. Okay, I'll make you guys an offer. If you guys stay till 10:30 or 11, then yeah, we'll sign off by doing the roar. Super professional roar. I swear.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go. That's a good deal, actually.
Yeah. Just open Twitch on your own channel, copy it out here. How do devs open in here? That's true.
How does open your? That's that's funny though.
Yeah, might as well just get like a YouTube video and just take the roar out of it.
Yeah, yeah, that'd be. But we need to do as in a proper synced version of it. But let's do it probably this weekend as in offline, and then we can basically do that as an intro, like Alexander Gamerman was saying. How about
But
that?
yeah, yeah. Have you seen Tom and Jerry and stuff? And there was this like line
Yeah,
which you just roar
yeah,
when
yeah. Seen
uh
that one.
Warner and Bros, right? Like it's called Warner and Bros.
Yeah. Hmm.
So yeah, we can do something
Warner
along
Bros.
those
Hmm.
lines.
That actually be really funny. So just imagine that there are two line bodies
Yeah.
and our faces on the lines, and
Hmm.
we're doing roar. That would be hilarious, though, to be honest.
Yeah. No, for sure. Okay,
But
let's get back
all
to it.
right,
I'm gonna share
cool.
your screen.
I'll share my screen now. Cool. There you go. So we needed to debug which ones. Do you remember?
Yes. Start with anything relating to the is empty method. Hello, that's what that. How's it going?
Empty is empty. Okay, I need to get your code. Did you push it?
I believe I did. Can you check it on GitHub online, please?
You must have. Hang on, I need to. Discard changes. Discard changes. What changes are these ones? I need to have a look first. I can't just do
Hmm.
that. It's for.
Aren't you?
Okay.
Yep.
Right. That. You know how you were talking yesterday that I made the changes, but I might not have pushed it.
Hmm.
That's the case.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So I'm
Maybe
just.
at the end of the stream, just to I'll remind you to push your changes.
Hmm. Hmm.
Um,
That'd be good.
Thank you. That was that. Is this a streaming PB?
Yes,
Oh, the
there's.
PB is 7 people can do 7 push-ups to get the stream started. So I will do push-ups. The only thing is I don't want to mess with my camera because this thing, yeah, it took like half an hour to set up.
I'm waiting for one particular person to say one word now.
Yeah, I know what you're talking.
All right. Just pulled it.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's fine. So I think everything is there. Where's
Okay,
our
I
empty
think
object?
I think it's an order, then let's do it.
So then, okay, cool. Let's do it.
Get them. I don't
Uh,
have water. I have this healthier energy drink. If that's okay.
I'm gonna get myself some water.
I'll do some push-ups, but I can't move the camera. If that's okay, to you guys.
Don't. I trust you. I don't know. I don't know about the others, but
You probably
yeah.
shouldn't. Just saying.
Huh?
You probably shouldn't, but okay.
I was being sarcastic, by the way.
Whoa, okay. Alexa, okay,
I'm
I'll
just
take.
kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Right. Okay, I need to take off. I need to actually use my green screen to hide the untidy background.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
I'll get water after the push-ups.
Right.
Yes, nice goodie.
Cool.
Thank you.
Cool. So, how many push-ups were they?
7.
Each, yeah?
Yes, please.
Alright,
Can we
cool.
do that? Yeah.
Alright.
Yep.
3,
Yep.
2, 1, go.
You forgot to count. Just saying.
6. You reminded me on a perfect time, basically. Oh,
Okay.
there we
Nice.
go.
Yes. Thank you, Alexa. Um. Yes. Gad. I don't know what that means.
Thank you, man. Good.
Oh. Okay.
Oh God. I don't know. Okay, back to action now. So I've done that. Did it not get pulled? Did get pulled?
Okay. So we have water.
I'm gonna check if you actually pushed your changes in there, cause I am not entirely sure.
Hmm.
I'm not entirely sure if you push your changes, so I'm
Can you
just
have a look?
gonna check it. You must have done that. No, that's stable backhand 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm. I made another branch.
Really?
Think so.
I don't think so.
Okay.
View all branches. These are the.
I'll do it
Did you
too.
push in? Oh, okay.
I think so.
Um.
Oopsies. Okay, just give me 1 second. Scrum and API. Okay. Its status. Okay, no, I did not make. Also, I figured out. I
Mhm.
think I should show you this. So, wait, am I sharing my screen?
No, you're not.
No. Yeah. So, you know how we do git add and then we do git commit?
Git add and then yeah.
So you can just do git commit minus am and then you can put the message.
So basically two
You,
commands
yeah.
in
You
one.
don't need to do git add.
So it's just to reiterate, git commit space minus am
Am.
and then
Yep.
the message as normal.
Yes.
Okay. Nice one. Let's try that.
Yep. There you go.
Okay. Have you pushed it right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I got your changes and now empty one. Okay, so this is empty one. Base, okay. Right.
Did you get water, Zen?
Yeah, I've got it here. I'm just gonna convert that into ES6, I think.
Sure.
Error function for everything to be consistent. So return is empty.
Hmm.
So are we just checking is there an object or not? Or we are putting the object to 0?
We are just checking if if it's null or not.
Then I don't think this is actually just checking. This is basically no. Hang on. Return.
Do you know how object keys work?
No, I don't.
Okay. It's probably a
I
good
just
idea to Google it
hmm
rather than I explain it to you.
yeah, object. I don't even know what the object key is. Uh-huh. So object key method returns an array of given objects on enumerated property names. Ah, okay, so these are the property names,
Yep.
as in these ones,
Uh-huh. So
and the
if you
iterations. Mm-hmm.
in line 7 did you write length, it's gonna give
Mm-hmm.
you 3. Just write dot length after in line 7. Yep, run it. Hmm. So it just
So
basically,
1, 2, 3. Okay, I see. I see.
so if there's nothing inside it, it will give 0. That means the object is empty. That's what
So
the function is doing.
this keyboard, I really have to figure this keyboard out tomorrow. Okay, so that means that if this, so we, this checks it, this gives the object's length,
Yeah.
but where have we got an if conditions saying that check this one?
Um, don't you see the parameters I pass obj
Mm-hmm.
and I'm checking inside the keys, object or keys bracket open obj.
So according to me, what you're doing here is you're basically setting the object's length to 0 and
I'm
then
comparing. I'm
returning
comparing.
it.
Mhm. Triple equal to is a comparison operators and not assignment.
Ah, why am I thinking my brain is somewhere else?
You need this.
So you're saying that this is a kind of a shorthand if statement.
This is a shorthand way to check if the object is empty or not. Don't worry about this code. I'm pretty sure it's okay.
Okay, I'll
Yep.
take your word for that. So if we come into
You probably need to
um,
do a postman and see what works and what not.
yeah, I'm just trying to catch up on everything what we need to do first. So this is patch. Where are we using the first is empty? Here, right?
Mm.
Is that the first instance of is empty, isn't it?
Which controller is this? Okay, yeah,
Is
that's it. Yeah,
is
that
it
one.
yeah.
Hmm.
So why don't we? I just want to check one. This is if this is on down here. Why don't we declare it at the top because it will be a global member function.
What difference is gonna make?
Just I want the code to be a bit structural, so I
Oh,
don't wanna uh
right.
create a
I thought,
function right at the bottom and then use it
yeah,
at the
I thought
top.
you said that it won't be able to access it, but I get what you mean. Yeah.
Access what?
Oh, good. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Is empty. Cool. Alright, and then this empty is there. It's being used there, but it's been declared here. Cool. Right. And this one will be a board object. Yeah, if it's empty. Error return. Where's error return? I'm just catching up to the code. and
Yeah.
everything you did yesterday.
Okay. Yep.
Just
Thank you, GetDev.
refreshing my.
Thank you for the suggestion. I think yeah, that's a good thing. I'll do that. You keep going, Zen. I'll just replying to you.
Okay.
Yep. For
Okay.
weird, you can always stringify the object to check for empty. Yeah, that's also true. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's something which we can do it as well. Um, right. Yeah, I think that's something as well. Um,
That just keep all the functions, as in these
yep,
arrow functions, in one place, so we don't get confused with which one.
yep.
Okay, arrow. So
So
return.
GetDev has give a suggestion on how to implement the is empty function. If you wanna
Uh huh. Uh huh.
have a look,
Mhm. So switch
go to the is empty function.
body
Yep.
equals object body. Ah, right. So instead of the object itself, he's using a JSON string. Instead of
Just
the length, he's using that one.
yeah, yes.
Stringify.
Lexa's asking for water geysers. Water.
So switch is empty. Switch. Okay, do this. And then we need to call the object.
Yep.
And then triple equals JSON stringify. Is that one it?
Hmm.
Ah, double quotes he's using. I don't think that double quotes makes a difference, but this must be as in the best practice. I'm pretty sure. And we what do we return here?
Do a case, please.
Ah,
10. Yeah. And when it um
huh. So,
after after ending the switch, okay. First
mhm.
of all, close a parenthesis in line 38 and then open. Sorry, close the bracket. You forgot to close one bracket
Ah,
and go down. Yes, and write case true. Huh. Actually, JSON stringifying and
if
a
it's
string. That's still a string. Yeah. Remove those strings then. Yep. That's all good.
assume.
In
Ah,
case
okay. Mm-hmm.
in case true, return true, please, and don't forget to break. Actually, it'll break automatically. Just return true. Yep. In case false.
Return false.
In case
And
default, return false, please.
actually, why not do this then instead?
That'll just kind of create confusion. That's why.
Because here's what I'm doing is getting rid of one line of code.
Yep.
So for these two cases, it will return a false basically,
Sure. Yeah. Let's
if that
do that.
makes sense.
Yeah. That's all good. Please remove this. Remove the last line.
Okay, that one's there. Yeah, cool. I'm happy with this. All right. Is object, shall we try now? If that
Hmm.
works.
Mm-hmm.
Hang on a minute. I need to make sure it's used properly. Board. is empty, so it's taking up a board, which is
10 minutes later, the object is
object. Yeah,
funny.
is board. Rest. Okay, yeah, let's just experiment this and see how we go.
GegDev says and said that if statements aren't good practice. Is that true?
That's what I got told from a senior dev.
All right. You're
Mhm.
right. Sleep 5 might help.
He's being sarcastic there.
Mm.
Okay, I don't think we need this written statement now. What? No,
Mm,
we need
we
it.
do it. We need it.
We need it.
Never write any statement in your life. I think they're just trolling you now, Sam.
Huh?
Come on,
I
you
know,
gotta
I
say
know. They're
something.
pulling my leg now. I know. Alright, I'm gonna try this and see if it works. Alright?
Hmm. Can I code in the next half? If that's okay.
Yeah, you can.
We're
Am I
gonna
too
stream.
slow for you?
No, we're gonna stream like 11:30, right? So, today is like longer stream. Is it or is it not?
Hmm.
Just curious.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, cool. Just wanted to confirm.
It is.
Very nice. Tomorrow is 2 hour with Tori. Yes, Gagdev, just a bit of correction. It's day after tomorrow, and yes, it's with Tori. It's really exciting that Tori will be with us as well.
Can't wait.
Yeah, for sure. And yes, it is Sunday and both Monday. Yes. Is is it suppository on suppository? Okay, yes.
I like how he's calling it.
Up to date on GitNub.
You know.
Uh, we don't have any repository on GitNub, but might want to check GitHub for sure. Yes, yeah, it is on GitHub, and um, but if you're trying to run a for loop to spam us with boards or notes,
Yeah, then it's not gonna work this time.
yeah, we are smarter than that.
Actually, it might do this time because we need to test, and in order to test, we need to comment.
All
We
right,
need to
okay.
uncomment the board. Yeah.
For me, I left 5 boards and then deleted all the boards.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Oh my God. All right. Never mind. Let's just put all these functions right at the top so they're all in order and the code is looking sexy.
Zen looks like you have a lot of fan following here. Zen, have you ever set up for suppository at home? And GegDev says, can you say there's a thing in double quotes for you, Zen?
I didn't get it. Can you say Diagon Alley? Yeah, Diagon Alley. What are they even trying to do? I don't get it, to be honest.
It's fine. You keep working. I'll handle
They
this. Come on, Zen. We gotta finish this before Tariq joins us so that we can do cores
we
and a
will.
lot of
Alright,
environment
I'm
we're interested
just
in.
gonna focus on this one then, because I think I'm taking a bit of time now.
You should delete your fake accent.
Don't worry, I heard that. I heard that.
That's getting a bit
Uh,
mean now. So yeah, we probably wanna stop there, Alex. Or
that's alright.
yeah.
It's part of the fun. If the viewers are happy, I'm happy.
Hmm. I have my wild true. What's the endpoint? I'll send it to you on Slack, Tori. I'll send it.
Alright, okay. I need to make some more changes
Oh,
to this as in the table name is needs to be
Um,
mine.
let's see what this link is. But GetDev. It's gonna take me 2 minutes to get to the link.
Come on.
It does take time.
You're talking like a manager now.
I mean, like, I have to literally go inside and inspect element and stuff. So, okay, there we go, got it. It took me 30 seconds. That's fair enough.
I am user. I have no idea what's happening, but yeah, I'll just focus.
Nah, then just keep working.
I'll just focus, yeah, because we need to get this done.
Can I just put that in like loop in the background? I'll play some music in the background.
Was it
Type it out.
yes?
Um, let me search music. Um,
Cloud.
oh, no. My Japanese lo-fi music.
Why is this doing that? Cloud formation.
I can have it.
Function. No, I need a DB.
Hmm.
DB name. DB goes there. Okay, that's fine. And now let's deploy. Build it again.
Can you hear the music? Is it too loud?
Slightly no. No, not loud.
Is it fine, or do you want me to increase or decrease?
That's fine by me, mate.
Okay. What about you, viewers? If you want me to decrease it, please let me know.
Shall we have a party?
Sorry.
Trance party.
What? Oh wait,
Say a trance party.
one sec. GetDev says fixed line 38. JSON string fi obj triple equal to 1. Huh. Oh yeah.
Oh, I see. I see what he's saying. So he basically means
JSON
we need
string
to
fi.
distance stringify and then compare that to oh, come on.
Thank you, Tori. I'm glad you're liking the music.
String, right? Yes, that's a string.
You have an extra M closing.
There you go. Can need to build again.
Hmm.
This is stringify. So this object
You didn't save the things and
save what?
you didn't save the file.
Didn't I?
See, there's a white dot.
Yeah. Come on, Zane, wake up.
Then you probably need a drink.
I've already had mine, man. Uh,
I kind of turned my night lamp to a ring light. So it just like puts light from.
Ah, I see. Hmm.
Yeah.
I, I like how you're becoming hardcore, as in on the way to a pro streamer now.
Yeah, for sure. Yes. I might actually to start doing pro streaming.
Mm-hmm.
But
About
yeah,
what?
I don't know. I don't game, so that's out of the question. Uh,
Okay, let's do this. So it was what do we want to check? Which scenario?
just
Um,
check all of them actually.
empty
Try
object.
Quokka.
Empty.
Quokka sometimes can be helpful to evaluate JavaScript in the file. Okay, let me Google what Quokka is.
Okay, so these are all the ones. So if we don't provide what's oh come on, I don't like this. I do not like this.
What's up?
Benny, welcome back. Uh, excuse me.
Oh,
So is board. So that one board is not found in the database. Ah,
what
okay.
is
So if there's no board in the database.
that's fine. You can't test that scenario. Try other scenarios first. There will be a lot of things to try with patch.
Patch. Oh, this.
That's fine. This will work. I'm pretty sure. Um,
Uh,
try
I'm I'm I wanna focus on the SMT because we worked on that one.
is empty is literally only going to work when all the boards are deleted from.
All right, let's do
Wait.
that
Then
then.
if you delete all the boards, you won't be able to test the other ones. So just test other ones. Let's not
Okay,
rush.
yeah, that makes
Then
sense.
you're gonna post the boards again and uncomment the post board functionalities. So
Yeah, yeah,
might as
that
well
makes
do it
sense.
step by step. Okay, yeah, go to Postman. Just yeah, I'll tell you what to do. Right, just post a board ID for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Go to patch. Go to body. Give it a body board name and make it as not string. Just write two. Nope. Not in a string. Yep. Post it, please. No. Only two. We want to give it as an int. Yeah. Yep. Please do that.
Board
Okay.
is
Cool.
not valid. So what
Board.
we just did
We
was
we made sure that anything which comes inside board name is not illegal. Like it's only a string. It's not any file. It's not any like. It's more of a security measure. Like in JSON, you can just pass a file as well, right? Like so, we want to make sure that it's only a
mm-hmm.
string.
Okay, yeah, which would be by this this
The type of thing on line
what do you call it?
173.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yes, that one.
So yeah, now we know the type
Oh,
of thing works.
mm-hmm.
We could have done instance of as well, but it works. Um,
Hang on a minute, I'm just gonna comment that.
sure.
Okay,
Go to Postman.
works. And then we need to check
Just make it a string.
this scenario string, and then we need to check if that goes through, isn't it? Which it
Yep.
shouldn't go through.
No, make it a string. It should go through. Yep. Post it, please. Or give it a zero as well if you want.
Post or patch?
Yeah. I mean,
Patch, right?
send
Mm-hmm.
it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that went through. Cool.
Ah, Okay, yeah, I was getting confused with post.
Okay. Go to
Okay, hang on.
postman only.
Which one was that one?
You already
What
mentioned it. It's fine.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Go down for me. Wait, not that down.
Board,
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Go down a little more. Um, right.
board
Okay.
name,
Go to
empty.
postman again. Give it. Just change 98 to 97 in the board ID.
98 and 97.
No, no, no. Wait, wait, wait. No, no body, please. Yep, and do a delete.
Board ID is not valid. Yeah, that makes sense.
Cool. And the last one would be. Let me just.
Hang on a minute. We just tested this one. Works. Okay.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
forgot one thing which probably need to do when I start coding. Can you go down then? Right, params. Go down a little more. So what happens if you don't find that board? Should give board not found. Can you go back?
Yes.
Can you go back to Postman and do a patch for me to a board which doesn't exist?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, that's wrong. Um,
How
Firstly,
is
the board
that wrong?
there's
Doesn't
no body.
exist.
There's no body, and you are
Ah,
patching.
right. That's fine. Right. They shouldn't work.
Hmm? Um, the
Patch.
reason why it went through because I haven't put that in. So that's something which needs to be put in the patch one.
Do you
But
want
yeah,
to tell me what you're thinking and what does need what you think has to go in?
yep. I guess let's test it all first, and we'll do the code together.
All right. Cool.
Um, yes.
So that one we just tested.
Yep. Now I guess
Patch.
you can go ahead and delete all the boards, and then we can
Patch.
test delete and stuff.
Root. Cool. That's fine. We need to go to the board, the DB, and delete all the
Thank
boards
you.
here.
Don't worry, I'll have a look into Coca. Coco. No, Coca. Okay.
Run
50.
action
Oh,
delete.
yeah.
Okay, cool. Let me get all the boards now.
Yep. You'll get nothing.
Yeah, we should. Ah,
Uh,
alright. For loop is there still.
Comment your post board, please. In VS Code.
Postboard is already done.
I think it took time to penetrate. Just go on Postman. Back. Go back on Postman. Yeah. Do get again.
Boy, that one is done.
It shows
Oh,
when was the date created, right? Can you show me the date created?
Um, should be in the headers, if I'm not wrong. Friday, today, at
Right.
12:20.
Yeah, just right
Yeah,
now.
just right now.
Um, Wait, was that
Let me
my?
try.
No, no, go on Postman
No, it's
again.
my one.
Okay.
It's my
Yeah,
one.
right. Yeah, do a thing again to delete it again.
I need to yeah, it is a for loop. Delete items. Hang on a minute. Okay, cool. Nothing there. Okay,
Okie dokie.
that's fine.
Yep. Now do a delete for me. Uh, with
Delete
and with a good board ID, like of 36 characters.
for that. I
Uh,
need to do a post first.
no, 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 no. I'll give you a board ID of 36.
Alright,
I know where to get it. It's in my VS Code.
just making sure there's no happening at the moment. The for loop thing.
It literally can't happen, right? Because like,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it just can't.
So, all post commented out.
Yeah, we should have done this in like day one.
Hmm.
Okay.
True.
I sent you the
Have you
board
sent
ID.
it? Alright. Okay, copy and paste and try and do a delete on this,
Hmm.
and it should not go through. Board ID is not valid. This
It's not
has to
right.
change.
That's not
Board
right.
ID is not present. The board
No, no,
is. Hang on.
it's going somewhere else. That's not right. Go down.
Delete.
Keep going down.
Root to delete.
Yeah,
Delete a
that's a
particular.
note.
That's a note.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
board ID is not valid. Here. It's coming in here.
No, no, go down. Keep going down. Let me. Okay, so it's not going through only. Why? Because it's not alphanumeric? Huh. Can you post another board for me? Can you delete another board for me? Wait, I'll send you another note ID.
Error return for board ID is not present. Switchboard.
There you go. Troy Littlefields asking, you guys ever use AWS Toolkit for step through debugging of lambdas? I don't think so. In this particular project, we have done that yet. These AWS tools are making me frustrated with the lack of documentation. Yes, some of the AWS tools can have less documentation, but I guess apart from that, AWS has fair docs.
Okay, so that one isn't working. Board ID is not present. Hang on. What I'm gonna do is kind of try and debug it and see if we can get the desired result. Run. I think this is how you debug. No, no. JavaScript debug terminal. Yeah, there you go. And then if I do that one, then if I
Yes,
run
story.
this,
That's so true. Like sometimes on AWS, I've just like found answers with like it's no one's business, and sometimes it's you have to look through a lot. Also, then
yeah.
this code is deployed on AWS. Debugging it on VS Code won't do anything.
Really?
Yeah, it's not running locally, right? And you're trying to debug it locally.
But it should kind of, as in,
Oh,
give us a bit of hint, as in where does the code exactly go?
this code is not even executing. The code which is sitting on a cloud is executing. This is just on your machine.
My brain is on holiday. Honestly, my brain is on holiday. Trust me. It's like
That's
I'm
so funny.
thinking, I'm thinking some next level things that don't even exist.
That's so funny. You're like the code deployed on SAM. You're trying to debug it on VS Code.
Try not to judge.
Nah, that's all good. Okay.
Right.
Right. Okay.
So
Let's see.
delete. So it would come. It's coming past there, but it's going in there. So you see, it's border ID of a numeric, which means that I need to go and have a look at the function of this.
You know what's happening? This neon sign is
Uh-huh.
attracting bugs.
Ah, right.
So I have to keep my
That's
window
interesting.
closed.
Hmm. I see what you mean.
Right. So Tori Littlefield says, don't know the whole app, but if you're mocking events correctly, that should be fine to debug in VS Code. Are we mocking it? I'm not
I don't
sure,
think we are mocking it.
but I could be horribly wrong about that. Thanks for the
Because
suggestion,
in order
Tori.
to mock it, I think we need to have the lambda is the methods in API gateway set to a mock, isn't it?
Yeah, so right now they are set to the
To
Lambda
lambda
function.
proxy.
Hmm.
Okay.
That,
Anyway,
that's fine. Yeah.
uh, ha hang on a minute. So if this is one method, then there was another method down here as well. I saw it.
Which method are you talking about?
The same method unless I've read it incorrectly. This one?
Yeah, it's everywhere. Literally on every function.
But why? Okay, now we can come back to the refactoring afterwards.
Hmm.
Is what, so this is getting this. So basically in this function is saying that test this board ID, which is fine. This is our
Hmm.
regex.
Yep. Tori Littlefield says, I'll get back to you guys about that debugging because it seems like a pain to have to bounce around through Postman. Yes, it is. Maybe we'll try to Google it as well.
Is our board
Thank you, Tori.
mirror. So basically this is our regex and we are testing the board
Yep.
ID matches our regex and board ID is then 36 and these both conditions are not.
Yep.
So only if they are not, then it would give us an error of these both the conditions.
Yeah, I'm
If
just
these
trying to
both are
think.
not true.
I'm just trying to think. 1 second. Give me 1 second. So it's testing it. So it's going to be true. That's going to be true as well.
Hmm,
Oh yeah, remove the not for me.
I think
Yeah, that should be fine.
is that for numeric? Yes, it is. Yeah, here we go. Should work. Ah, save it.
Yes, please.
I think somehow I need to close the gap between your thinking and my thinking,
As in, I
because
don't get that.
you think really fast and I'm not. I'm probably half the speed of you.
Well, like I
So
think it's
I
only
really
like,
need to improve.
but I mean, it's not about that, right? Like when you're in a team and when you're in a project, you don't have to be the fastest. It's I guess it all depends on what value you bring to the team. So it doesn't matter how fast you code, you can bring other values as well, right? Like stability or
Yeah,
manage.
yeah, that's absolutely right. But just from a personal development perspective,
Yeah,
I actually want to learn that, as in thinking fast from you. That's
yeah,
what I'm actually trying to say.
yeah. But
But
it's
you're right
also
as well.
it's also because like you work full time, so you do get tired at by the nights.
Well, that's one polite way to put it, but to be honest, I really admire your as in ability
Thank
to
you.
think really fast. So I'm actually trying to pick up that from you.
Yeah, no, I mean, yeah, we'll
Yeah.
uh,
hmm
capitalize on each other's process.
Exactly. hmm It's all about teamwork. Right.
Well, for
So this one. So
um,
now,
Tori
um,
says, well, for debugging, a simple lambda did a simple trick. Okay, Tori, maybe if you have some links, can you please slack me that? You're doing great, Zen, Tori says.
oh, thank you, Tori. I appreciate that. Okay, so
Okay.
did you give me this board
Yes.
ID, isn't it?
Yeah, that's fine. Just send it.
So which means that, hang on, for this to work, we should get this arrow.
Hmm.
Okay, bingo.
Cool.
So then,
Yes. I think you're in the wrong controller. That's why.
am I?
You're in the get controller. Yeah.
Ah, I need to be in
Yeah.
the delete controller.
It worked. Yeah. Cool. GG.
Board ID valid. No boards found in database. Really? No, it can't be.
No. Wait.
Is
Wait. Wait. Wait.
empty. Error. Board ID is not valid.
Wait. Go down. I made a board not. Go down. Keep going down. Yep. So this one's executing for
Ah,
line 56,
right. Okay, that
but
makes sense.
that's wrong. There's still some problem with is empty for sure. Then.
Hmm, that's what I'm thinking, but we need to board is empty.
Yep.
We need to figure out is empty. So is bringing the board and checking.
Oh wait. I
Um,
think I know what's the problem. Go to is empty function. Where is it?
here we go.
Two. All right. Okay. Um. Can you do return false in case false for me, please?
Return false.
I I just
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, let's try that as well.
And also 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I still don't think line 37 is right. Just give me 1 sec.
Check.
1 second.
Can JavaScript is empty. Object keys, object length, and
So do this. Then I will
think we are
send you.
missing the constructor as well, is it?
Yes, we are missing constructors,
Hmm.
and if we only want to use JSON stringify, for some most of the people on the internet are using dot length. Um,
But there must be a reason why GetDev said
yeah, for sure.
choose JSON JSON stringify. So I would probably stick to that. What do you reckon? Or
Yeah, yeah,
we
for
should
sure.
try other ones as well.
Just show me the code. One sec. Wait, yeah, that's fine.
Alright,
Um,
so check if object is empty JavaScript JSON stringify.
right. Oh, hi, Nikhil. Hi. How are you? Um, so Nikhil's one of my friend from India. So
Okay.
it's been
Hi
so long.
Nicole. You right there, mate?
Yeah, it's been so long.
Is it? How long has it been?
Um, I think 4 to 5 years. 4 years.
Wow. Wow.
No, wait, no, I don't know. Actually, 3 years.
Object if
Yeah, something along those lines.
wow. That's really as in I think that's called a true friendship though. As in
5 years, 25% of my life. That's kind of funny.
right. So where were we? Here. So I found this line.
Hmm.
Just want to check if objects. So just right, right. I think this might have been the problem.
But
As in, they both have to be JSON
uh,
stringified apparently.
but you have a triple equal to, so still doesn't make sense. But yeah, we can still try it. Give it a go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Maybe this.
Yeah, I still don't know why we have a double quotes there. Also, you missed J. Yes, I think yeah, it was 2018 the last time we talked. So we both were used to volunteer for this NGO, which used to just um, teach and mobilize a lot of small children who are at disadvantage in our city.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's pretty good, man.
So
As in a really good cause to be giving your time to.
yeah, for sure. So we used to teach like on the weekends for about 3 hours. I
As
used to
in
teach math.
teach teach math.
Yes, and I think Nikhil was like the one of the fellows. Yes, he was the fellow,
Ah,
and I was the
okay.
volunteer. So yeah, it was pretty amazing, right? Like just spend your weekends around like and it just makes you value a lot of things, right? So
Yeah, yeah,
um
absolutely, man.
no, it was an amazing experience.
That's pretty good.
Hmm.
Oops, I forgot the double equal sign.
Oh, you did the oh yeah, all right.
Yeah, I wasn't supposed to use
That's
the
all good.
triple equals here.
Until it's building, test it with triple equal to only.
It's built and deployed.
Hmm.
Actually, I'll test it with that.
Hmm.
Board not found.
Wait, I think you have given us some spaces in the front. Click on the URL.
No,
Click at HTTP before H in the
before
URL.
hedge.
Yeah,
Uh huh.
in the H before H. Do backspace. Yeah.
Ah, right, right.
Now send it, please.
Board
Okay.
not
No
found.
problem.
So if that has done it, then
That's fine. Sam, deploy it, please.
delete board. No board.
Okay. Let's have a look. What do we have?
Right, go back and then do this. Board not found.
Give it 1 second to penetrate. Oh, it hasn't been deployed
Ah,
yet. Someone's in a hurry.
I'm not in a hurry. It's just I'm actually trying to pick up the speed, but too quickly, and this is what's happening. I need to really calm down, as in slow down to speed up.
Yes. Yeah. Open Postman.
Okay, the spaces are
Cool.
not there. Cool. Board not found.
Wow. Okay. Do get all boards. I think someone posted boards. That's why it's happening. But that shouldn't be possible. But get all the boards. Okay. Yeah.
Ah,
That's the reason.
okay. Yeah, that's why it's happening.
Delete this board, please. Yep. And do a delete for me. Thank you. Yes, please. Now just send it again. Send it again.
Board not found. It
Do a
should give us. Mhm.
get all board. Now get all boards. Yeah. Very interesting.
Ah, come on. Seriously?
Oh, it's the keyboard again. Practice makes perfect, but not in my case. Tori says. Nah, Tori, practice does make you
Yeah.
perfect. Okay, delete
You
time.
delete. Can you send me some? Okay, hang on.
You
I've
already have.
got the board ID already, so don't worry
Yes.
about that. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure.
Hmm.
Yeah. Delete board
Do a
not
get
found.
again. No,
Board
no, do a
ID is not.
get all boards. Why do I feel that delete is actually posting a board?
No, it's not.
Okay, yeah, then it's something wrong. Okay, very interesting.
So it's coming in board not found, which isn't in the. No, no, no. It must be here. It's
Hmm.
coming in here. So it's board present. Hang on.
Oh, I know why that's happening.
Why do we have? Yeah, go on.
Um, the reason why that happening is go up, then oh, wait. Then why isn't it going inside that thing on line 228?
Board switch. If it's hang on. Switch empty. I'm just gonna put these ones up there because these are really distracting me in the
No, what you doing? No, that's fine.
middle of the.
No, that's inside the. No, that's inside the function. We needed
Ish.
it. Yeah. Why'd you delete that one?
But why are we creating? Ah, ah. I keep on thinking that this is a function as in itself.
Yeah, right.
That's
Okay.
my fault. Yeah, don't worry
That's all
about
good.
that.
Um,
Switch. Okay,
wait a
back to basics.
Go down. But this is working, right? Like all this is fine. If you go down and so fundamentally, what is line number 225 returning? Is it returning an array?
Is returning. It should be
Oh,
returning an
I know
array
what's
of
happening.
objects.
I know exactly what's happening. Instead of is empty, boards do boards.item because boards actually has an object called item, if you know what I mean.
And then all the boards are in that
Inside
object.
in the item. Yeah,
Right, right, right,
that's
right.
why it's
Yeah.
happening. Can you do
That's a
board for
really good
item?
pickup.
No, 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 no. Instead of boards,
In there.
yeah, dot item items.
Items.
Yeah, now it'll work. It should work. Thank you, Tori. Yes, the music's pretty good. It's helping us.
You mean music is so zen? Huh? What? You mean music is so zen? Ah, alright, never mind. I got the joke. I got the joke. Fine, guys, it's your day. Today I'm gonna just stay quiet and code.
It's fine. Let me handle it. Yeah. I think that's exactly the reason that wasn't going in, right?
Hmm. Yeah, it's good that you picked up on, as in that board has an other
Hmm.
has an array of items, and all the boards are in there, which makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't be able to do it without the energy drink, so thanks to you.
No problem, man. Happy to share my favorite energy drinks with you.
That's an honor.
I deploy that.
All right, let's
Alright,
go.
cool. Let's do another board. Hang on. I'm
Do a get
gonna just
first.
confirm this first. No,
Yeah, that's fine.
cool. Someone's being a good boy now.
I think we are being a smart boy now.
True. Yeah.
Hmm.
Nobody. Cool. Board not found. They're still coming
Yeah.
in here.
You know what's the funny part? The like at the drop, this happened. At the drop of the music.
Right, I get what you mean. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
hilarious.
Yeah.
I've got one curiosity here. If we are checking everything here, as in all the validation, why do we need these kind of this flag then?
That's for see, there are two scenarios. First scenario is that there is no board at all.
Yeah,
The second scenario is there are a lot of boards, but the board which we are trying to delete is not present.
is not present.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one fulfills this one, but at the moment, what's happening is that
Yeah.
this is being. Ah,
Yeah.
hang
So
on a minute. Hang on a minute.
actually, yeah,
Uh-huh.
go ahead. What I'm thinking is if you do a get for me, get all boards, the board items does have some different attributes to it which might not make it null. Like, if you know what I mean. So this has been returned, and this is the whole thing is the board, and items. Okay, items is empty.
Can you possibly check in your database? Because I don't wanna enable the post here.
What do you want me
Um,
to?
can you check the structure of board, and then if it's actually
Hmm,
board as in boards and then items and then all the boards are there?
I can do that.
Or are you sure about that?
I can do that. That's actually a good point. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm just opening Postman.
Alright.
Um,
Board items is empty. Type of how to check an empty array. Right. I think we need to check the empty array here, not the object itself.
hmm.
We need to
Really?
check if the items array is empty because all the boards will be in that array
The
of
Yeah,
objects.
sure, you can check that. Yeah, do that. Instead of inside the switch, just write. No. Just go in that particular is empty. Remove everything here
Mm-hmm.
and just do boards dot items dot length triple equal to 0. Not sure if length is a function or a constant. Can you just check that? Okay, so yes, items is an array. You're right. Yeah, I think it's a constant. That's fine.
Let's just try this. If then if it's true, yeah, then it should go in there. There we go, and now deploy this.
When we set up CI/CD,
Mhm.
we have to be more precise with our code. We can't just keep deploying, right? Because
Yeah.
builds do cost money. So,
You're talking to a person when he was learning code build, as in deploying via code build. The bill came around $250
oh boy,
for
yeah,
1 month, and I was
yeah,
like, learns my lesson.
yeah. So what we'll do is we'll set up the AWS startup thingy. We'll get the
Mm-hmm.
those
Yeah.
credits or stuff like that, and then we'll have a good solid $1,300
Mm.
to
Yeah.
begin with.
That sounds good to me. Right. I need the What did I? Not that one. Right. Where did that go? Okay.
Whatever.
I opened up the console instead of that. That's
Yep.
my bad.
So
Uh, okay, and get all the boards, no board present, paste, and that should give me no boards found in database.
Hmm. Yay! Good job.
Bullseye. Thank you. So now that works as well.
Hmm.
And okay,
Yep, this
works.
all works.
Perfect. This works as well.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, that one works as well.
Yes. Oh, yeah. Also, then you should
Uh-huh.
probably go ahead and set up CloudWatch billing alerts. And you know what?
Yeah.
One interesting thing which we can do is to dodge
Mm-hmm.
our AWS bill. We can go ahead and create a Alexa skill. If you have an Alexa skill, AWS gives you $100 credits every month.
Ah, let's do that. As in,
Yeah.
if well, I think it will be a great learning curve, and we can also use it for this purpose.
Yes. But I think we should only. It's gonna take like at least a week or two to set up an Alexa skill. But that being said, I think we should do the back end first, wait for the front end, and in the meantime, if we get a week, then we can work on creating an Alexa skill. I've actually built one, but I've never actually got to. It's just a simple calculator. I don't even know where it is. But yeah,
You have actually built one. So what I did, I just, as in, built a extremely simple one,
oh yeah,
and I can't even remember how I did it anymore.
yeah. So we were just
Yeah.
like me and my mates at uni were like just
Mm-hmm.
turning around. So we made like a calculator. No, Tori didn't get money because we didn't actually went ahead and got it approved. Nope. But like, yeah, we can probably think of something cool, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you one
Yeah.
thing where this is my favorite one. Alexa, roast me.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Oh, you're not sure of it. Alexa, insult me. What's that?
You remind me of the ocean. You make me sick.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, that's actually a
It's
good one.
freaking
Though
funny.
you
Yeah.
remind me of the ocean. As in, if you have got as in the ocean sickness.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will make me sick.
So whenever I'm feeling overconfident, I just do Alexa insult me.
And you're like, okay, I'll go back to coding now.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Or like
Um, so this is done.
I thought of a very funny joke. Like whenever I think I can apply for a senior dev role, I just do Alexa insult me.
That would be hilarious, though. You make me sick. Oh, I think I'm gonna get Alexa as well really soon.
Yes, but yeah, to dodge the AWS billing issue, I think we can work on creating an Alexa skill. We can stream that. That'll be fun. So yeah,
Yeah, that would be fun. Okay, I'm just gonna try and make the code a bit elegant now. Okay. I don't know why I keep on thinking that this whole thing is a function
let's
when it's not. Yeah.
not.
Okay, that one, that one, that one. Update that one. Okay, we can probably come back to that. Don't need this, and this can actually no, no. Um, no, don't need the spaces. Switch. Okay. Anyway, that's fine. Right. So shall I just so all the boards methods are done now, right? As in they're working.
The validation, no, not all of them are. Oh yeah, probably for the board, yes. For the node,
Yeah, just the board
yeah.
validation. All right, so just go ahead and commit this.
Mhm.
Git commit
My
-am, and then the
board validation finished.
board validations for actually do this. Finished board validations. Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, so like, yeah, it's just like saves you one full git add dot thing.
Hmm. Okay, cool. So let's move on to the notes now.
Hmm. Surely.
Update board name. Yeah, that's fine. Delete a specific note. Okay, cool. Delete a board. Okay, we probably have to enable this.
Yes. Tori sent the link. Yes, thank you, Tori. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly the one I was talking about.
Starts at 25
Um,
a month.
really, I thought it was $100 a month. Are you sure? Okay, we probably need to look into it then.
Hmm.
But yeah, there's a lot of ways to get AWS credits.
Hmm. Y- Yeah. Think let's when we get a bit of a window, let's create a Lexus skill because that'll be a really good learning thing and for our as in
Hmm.
careers as well.
Hmm.
And uh-huh.
He's like too many cheapskates creating characters. Yeah, that was one of them was me as well. So allow them.
They lowered the month.
Yep. Thank me later, Tori. Thank me later.
That's a really as in smart way to get $100 a month.
Hmm.
Just just create the calculators.
But like
Right. I'm
maybe
gonna
if
get
you post a calculator, I post a calculator, we get 50 credits a month.
yeah, true. I'll be right back. I need a bit of water, yeah?
Sure.
Oh, those push-ups are working.
Are you excited to join Tori? Because we are looking forward for Sunday. That's gonna be fun. Crappy App Factory. I just love your sense of humor. Let's see. Alexa skill Amazon AWS credits. Okay.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm sure you know. Oh, they did decrease it to 25 initial, valid for 1 year in subsequent months. Developers may be eligible to receive monthly credits starting 25. Eligibility for monthly credits evaluated based on whether a developer has one public non blueprints live at 11:59 p.m. on the last day of the grace month. Okay, very nice. Probably need to look into it.
Oh, come on. The keyboard. I really need to sort the keyboard out. Okay, cool. Delete. This is
I
that
have a
one.
Linux, I'll tell you.
Alright, so for that one, we don't
It's
need that. We need to make sure that the board ID exists. Alright, yeah. We need to make sure that the board ID exists. So what we need to do is we need to this board IDs. I think I'm gonna make a function and then use that one once and for all for notes. So just do error return component. Cons. Assist. Board test board. Projects. Yeah, nothing is checking if the board ID is if the board is there or not. Is board ID alphanumeric? Is empty board ID. Okay, so I can use the board. This one is empty function. I don't need to create another one.
Mm-hmm. Maybe an app tell Alexa delete my GitHub account and burn my tea. Or maybe we can train Alexa to exit Vim.
So
What's a good? Can you tell Alexa to just like Alexa open my setup and it'll open
Did you
shut up. It'll open VS Code before you sit on your computer and stuff. I don't know if that's possible. That's more on the IoT. So
we do
charge
it
it
is
to Zen.
huh?
To read this one.
Alexa charge it to Zane. I didn't get what that meant.
Read everything on the top.
Can't go. Why would Alexa tell you she wants your terrible app? Maybe I have to tell Alexa to delete my GitHub account and burn my ID. Alexa charge. No, I still didn't get it.
Okay, let's code. That's good that you're focusing all your energy on the code.
Same board trying to, man. So when we create a board, we need to make sure that the board ID is there. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to do switch. I can use the same function there. Board ID, yeah.
Then are you trying ASMR?
I have no idea what you guys are on about. To be
You don't know what
honest,
ASMR is?
no, I don't.
All right. Okay, that's all good.
Where is it?
It's like these kinds of videos, which is like really stimulating videos. Um, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. I probably need to show it to you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Use board ID alphanumeric. And then give it the board ID. And if that is the case, case true. If it's if it's false. What I need to know. If it's case false, then what do we want to do? We just want to return. If it's not false, then we just return.
Sure. Thank you, Tori. That means a lot.
That means a lot. I'm really curious now.
We're just talking about the ASMR thing. I'll explain it to you after stream.
That was that good. Oh god. Ah, interesting. I think I'm missing out a lot.
Hmm.
The error return, and then what do I want? The response status. Uh, for if it's not, this can't be right.
What up?
Just checking the other examples you did for is board alphanumeric by calling it.
Yeah,
Board
you're
ID
doing
is
it
not
right.
valid. Not found. Is board ID alphanumeric true? Or
Oh,
board
wait.
that doesn't
Uh,
make sense, to be honest.
yes. So we had a not, right? So just switch this around to false and true. Remember,
No,
we removed a negation in front of it.
is board ID alphanumeric. So yeah, I'm not really worried about this.
No, 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 no.
I'm. Mhm.
Yeah, I'm saying. Remember how, like in the starting of the stream, we had a not in front of that thing,
Yeah. Mhm.
and then we removed it. So
Yeah.
for now, to make it work, I am doing it wrong. Like this code which I did was is wrong now. It should be case false first and then case true.
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense, but the status code for author, it means that it's not found.
Oh yeah, we probably need to change the status as well. So
Right.
you need
Okay.
to
That.
give it.
Mhm.
I'll tell you the status. It's something in 500. Just let me tell you status point. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's 400.
400 is it? As in
Yes.
the status code for invalid
Hmm.
things. Okay.
Yes, it
400.
is. And this is wrong code because it's gonna fall through. Even if it's true, it's gonna go to false. Remember?
Even
If
if
it
it's true, it will go to false.
if it's true, it's gonna fall through.
What do you mean fall through?
Um, if the switch is true,
Hmm?
it's still gonna go to the false. So
Why would it still go to the false if it's true? Okay,
then
mhm.
it's gonna fall through, right? Like there's no break or no return. So even if it goes to line 89, it's gonna execute line 91.
It won't execute line 91 if it's not false.
Not false is true, right?
Oh god. Why am I not understanding here?
Okay, here's the deal. Let's say if it's true that it is alphanumeric, the board
Y-
ID is right.
Yeah,
It's gonna go
then
to line
it will
89.
come here. Hmm.
Why did you write that? Remove all of that.
I'm I'm just
Yeah, yeah,
showing
yeah,
that it will
yeah,
stay in the true thing.
yeah. And after executing whatever is on line 89, it's still going to
Yeah.
keep going because it has no break. So it's gonna execute line 92 as well.
No, you won't, because if the board ID is valid, as in is alphanumeric, then why would it go in the case of false?
Okay. Let me share my screen and let's try to understand how switch. Yep.
I'm missing something here, I think,
So
that I
the way
want to understand.
switch works is that even if you go to case 0
Yeah,
and there's no break after case 0, it's
yeah,
going to go to case 1. And then if
inside
there's,
it.
yeah.
Right, I didn't know that.
Okay, yeah, I'll just show you an example, right? Like, um, la 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 la. Okay, right, just like, I'll just write it in Java.
Hmm.
Yep. So, okay, right, and case 1 is system dot out dot print ln I am a 1, and case 2 says system
Hmm.
I am a 2. Right, okay. Yep, that makes sense. And oh no, go away. I don't need you. And if I do a break here and default, I am everything. Okay, right. And I'll give it a
Hmm.
0. So what do you
Yeah,
think will the output be then?
it will be I'm 0.
Okay, right.
Yeah.
Try running this. Just give me one sec. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, cd. Oh no, not cd. Java c eg dot dot java. Okay, Java eg. See the output.
I'm 0, I'm 1.
So the way switch works is
Right.
that,
So, uh-huh.
yeah. Did you get what I mean?
Yeah, now I kind of understood it because, yeah, I didn't really know that even if it's not the case,
Yeah.
but it will still go through unless we give it a break. Because I was
Yeah.
under the impression that if you don't give it a, okay, so remove
The break.
the I am 0.
This one. Do you want me to remove it?
Yes. Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
I was under the impression that it wouldn't go in case 1 because that isn't the case. So is the case, which means that I was completely wrong, and that's actually
All good.
introduced a new concept of as in switch statement
Yeah.
in my brain. So unless we include the break statement, it will keep going in the cases
Yeah.
until it finds a break.
Yes, and this situation is called a fall through.
Ah, right,
Mm.
right, right. Okay, I see. I see what
Yeah.
you mean now.
Mhm.
Yeah, that really helps, man. Thanks for
Oh,
saying
good.
out the example and
Mhm.
showing it.
Good. Right.
So that
Yep.
means
That's completely right, Tori. Only stops when you hear a break or finishes all the cases. That's right.
hmm.
And writing Java underline layers to make an example assist.
That was funny though.
Yeah, keep evaluating until you break. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, right, right. I see. So for that to work, we have to have a break here.
Or better, just write the false one above the true one. Just yeah, that's fine. Yep. No, 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 no.
Okay,
Write a case true as well, please.
I was gonna do that afterwards.
Yeah, that's fine. Because there is return, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
so you
Yeah,
don't need a break.
right. Okay, cool. That's fine. And going back to the notes, create. Okay, yeah. So there wasn't, if if this wasn't the case, then we need to turn true and then default turn.
I don't think so. You need to return. You need to do return semicolon and just call the function. Or can you do this? I'm actually not sure. Can you return
What?
the function?
If it's saying hang on, I haven't
No, no,
even
no, 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 no,
seen.
no. I'm
I'm
saying,
just
I'm saying at the start of the statement you have written return, not error return before that.
yes,
But the function isn't actually returning anything.
yes,
It's
and
returning.
that's that's okay. Complete your sentence.
Yeah, it's returning nothing, right? So you don't need to return the function. You need to write return semicolon after after this line.
Right. So you're saying here.
Yes, just write return semicolon. Yep, thank you. And in the error return,
Hang
just
on a
write.
minute. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute, please. I
Yep.
just have to confirm something. Okay, I see. I see. I was under the impression that this is actually returning something.
No.
Right, right, right.
Not this
Return
one.
is
Keep
board
going down.
ID alphanumeric.
Keep going down. Yep, that one. Line 274, 400. Yep. Board ID
Board ID
is not
isn't.
valid. Sorry, my bad. I have wrote it as is not valid. Not isn't. Yep.
Good to keep the consistency.
Yep. Just save it. I might have to run in like the next 2 minutes.
We need to send a response as well.
Yep. Yeah, let's do that.
Alright. Oh, it's half 11 already.
Hmm.
Let's just keep it to 3 more minutes.
Yes.
Okay, what's the thing going on here?
You forgot a colon. Yep.
Ah,
There you go.
okay, so can you possibly keep updating the Jira board as well?
Yes, I can do that. Good point there.
So board ID is an alphanumeric, and then we also have to check if the board ID is even there in the first place. Right. Switch is empty. So no, not that one. Is alphanumeric. False, true. Switchboard ID. Think we would need two more things here. If board ID is empty,
Mm-hmm.
then just return it. So I'm just gonna write some pseudocode. If board ID is empty,
Yep.
is empty
Jira
string.
board is updated.
Thank you. If board. All right. So yeah, that's all we will need, because if board ID is empty, then we don't have even have to go further.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll do this here. The res or send status. No, res dot status 404, right?
This
And
one,
then
yes.
send
Um,
JSON stringify.
then we created a function just to do this. Remember?
Ah, yeah.
Error return. It's called. You just used it.
Yes, true. Yes. Think my brain is already in the weekend mode.
Yeah.
Wow. This one. Come on, Zane. You can do that. You got this.
For sure.
There you
There
go.
we go. Yeah.
So not found in the database. No, I don't want this. Board ID
Um,
is
two different. Oh yeah, that's fine.
huh?
No. Just copy what I did for consistency. Just see what I did in the top one. Just go up a little. Yeah, that's fine. No, go down. Go down. Yeah, there you go. No. Yeah, that's that one.
Is that one?
Yep.
Yeah. Board ID. There we go. Okay, it's not present in code. That's fine. Okay, so board ID is empty is done, and then is alphanumeric is done. So that's all we need to check, and then we need to move on to the board. The note.
Yep. Can we? I think we should
Yeah.
call it a night then.
Oh, it's
Yep.
half 11 already.
Yes.
Well, I'm just gonna commit this and
Yes.
make sure the code is looking good enough.
Yep. All right,
Cool.
Tori. Let's see you on Sunday.
Can't wait, mate. Can't wait
Yep.
to have Tori on here. And git commit a m why
It's minus AM.
validation
Yep. Tori, have a nice day.
post notes validation. Dating posting. Okay, that's there, and just gonna make sure that I'm on the right branch. Disable backend. Cool. Thanks a lot, guys, for
Yeah.
tuning in. Been a great session. A lot of entertainment, which was really good, and a bit of work as well. We got done until the posting notes, as in validation. So tomorrow we will. Not tomorrow. Sorry. Uh, Tomorrow we won't be here. But we will continue from here on Sunday. Have you got anything to add, Kay?
No, thanks guys for joining in. I think, yep, today we got a lot of the work done, and we will probably finish um the validation in the next 1 hour whenever we stream.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
yes, join us on Sunday, and we'll have a special guest on Sunday as well. So yeah, we're really looking forward for that.
Mhm.
And yes, see you guys on Sunday 9:30 p.m.
That sounds fantastic. Have a good night, guys, and sweet dreams if you're in Melbourne.
Okay,
Have a good night. Cheers. Bye.
bye.